I'm doing. How it works down there? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be giving myself a full body wax. And I've never done this before. I'm gonna try and see if I can give myself a full body wax. The brand I'm gonna be using is Nad'S, the original hair remover gel kit. I purchased it off of Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'll link it down below. And it's hypoallergenic, washes away with water. Okay. And dermatologically tested. And inside are cotton strips, a wooden applicator, a moisture soothing balm, and cleansing wipes, and the original hair remover. Before we start, it's important to read the instructions. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So first, before you start waxing, wash your hands. Clean the areas to be treated with the cleansing wipes to remove oil, makeup, and moisturizers, and then wipes can completely dry. Then, are you gonna tell me how to heat this up, honey? Oh my god. Y'all, this is not hard wax. I bought the wrong one. I do have to heat this up. Who the hell is putting this on their skin? Bad enough that I bought the wrong wax. I can barely get it open. I just feel like I'm playing myself right now. Okay, so I'm going to do my underarm. Before I show you my underarm, I just want to let y'all know that we are in quarantine. And in order for me to make this video, I had to not touch my hair underneath my arms. So it might be hairy. And I just don't want you guys to judge me. Period. Okay. I'm gonna take the pre-cleansing wipe. All clean. All clean, all clean, all clean. Okay. I'm scared. See? It said heat in a microwave. I was gonna put this on my skin. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is so much better because it's moving around. Here I go. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that. I wasn't supposed to do that. Okay. What I'm doing, I'll tell you that much. Whatever. So oh brother. Barely got anything, but okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing. Oh shit. Ouch. I got here. Oh, okay. Okay. This is so gooey. Not a fan. Oh, we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? That didn't fucking work. I make it look so easy on YouTube, and it's not. It's really hard. This is a joke. It's just one sticky fucking mess. I'm gonna try another area to see if it's me, just my underarms, or it's just me. I'm gonna try my bikini line and see. Wish me luck. How it works on there? Honestly, I really don't know what I'm doing. I wish I could tell you, but I really don't, and I feel like I'm just wasting fucking strips. I did my lights off camera, and I got it. But guess what? I'm running out of fucking strips.
Eventually.
Okay, so I decided to do my underarm. Guys, this is not working out. I'm not a happy camper. Here we go. And nothing. Oh. It's moving upwards. Wait, hold on. That's gonna hurt. You're supposed to pull up at the bottom. You're supposed to pull up. Okay. Well, alrighty then. Okay, let's go. Okay, good. Okay, I gotta do that over. Ouch. Okay. I got more. I wasted all my fucking strips. This was a disaster. And the fact that I did bits and pieces of my body, it's a mess. I'm a mess right now. I'm gonna go back on Amazon and get hard wax this time because this is way too messy for me. Like, way too messy. And I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much for watching. I tried, I failed, but I didn't give up. So we back at it as soon as I get more wax. Stay tuned, okay? Don't go anywhere. I got more videos coming. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.